Took me around 5 days to build. Basically, it's manual, it's the ratcheting mechanism style, the same square bar thing as these ones. Basically, I did the same, took double the length of this and chucked in the lathe, drilled and bored this hole to the exterior of the pipe, and then cut it in half to make this guide thing, and then the other half goes here to prevent to catch the tube and so it doesn't go out. Also, I made all the pins on the lathe, these ones as well as these ones. This you can change from here to here, and then it's actuated by a 25mm solid bar here. I think the length is 1 meter. And the thing that took most time to do was the actual die, which you more or less can see how I made it. You just pull the spin out, go back. Well, I have this. Here, you go back, and then you put the pin back in. And then you can go up to 180 degrees. Also, I made this degree scale. I need to print it again in PETG because some numbers fall off. Basically a piece of steel wire to use it as a needle so I can see how far I'm bending the tube. Here's a demo. A scrap piece that I bent and actually turned out really good. There's a bit of expansion, but nothing important here. And also did a 90 bend here. So first I made these templates on the CNC, and then I made these pieces round with the lathe, and I mounted them here, and I drilled all the holes. Also, I made these bushings on the lathe and I welded on each side. I also got this template on the CNC and made the same as the other two pieces. This is a piece of pipe cut in half and welded here all the way on each side. So I did some work off camera. I finished the die, this piece with these bushings made on the lathe. The die goes here. I've been following the plans. I almost finished this one. I still need to do this kind of hook here. Then with this piece, which is this one, I have these two pieces of flat bar, which are these ones. I'm going to cut all the tacks and keep assembling the whole thing. Everything is at zero, so we can start bending. Now we need to go back. Now remove this. Unlock this. This. There you have it. Let's do a 91. My other camera died, so I need to find another spot. $90. I'm not doing in the ideal space, but at least we can see that it works here. So here's the final result. A 90 bend here, a 180-degree bend in here. And I have an idea in mind that I will show you in a second. So I did this rough model in Fusion 360. and I have the idea to swap the existing battery mounts and install this tubular frame and use it as a bumper, a battery mount, and also to protect the battery from collisions or something like that. So now let me switch on the background photo and it would look like something like this. Obviously I need to specify the dimensions and the anchor points, that this one is going to the wheel, but the anchor points would be on the same place. And I also need to design the tabs for mounting the battery to this kind of frame. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.